Are you a nurse in Ghana? Do you have plans of traveling abroad? Do you want to experience different parts of the world? Do you want to go to Germany? You want to go to Australia? You want to go to several parts of the world to have an amazing experience? Have you always been thinking that you need to pay huge sums of money like $5,000, 5,000 euros, 10,000 pounds, and you think you don't have enough money? You think this is just there for the rich people? Today, you have to have a different mindset, because the Great Association in Ghana for Nurses and Midwives is helping its members to have chance to experience part of the world with very nice packages. This is a very amazing package. I'm so excited doing this video. I don't know how you feel, because people have been trying to experience part of the world. People are ready to pay up to $5,000, $10,000 to go and experience part of the world and come back, and they are being duped. People have been stealing from these people. They have been scammed. This is the last of its sort, because GRNMA is here for its members. So without wasting much time, please subscribe to my channel and share this with other people, and let's dive in. So quickly, you go to your browser. When you go to your browser, as always, I like brief. You go to where you type your URL, and you type in here www.GRNMAInfonet.com. After doing that, you hit on enter. When you come here, you type on the GRNMA INFONET, the amazing software, the amazing future that is helping nurses and midwives a lot. When you tap on it, it brings you here. So here you type in your staff ID and then your password. After typing your staff ID, you type in your password. After typing your password, you hit on login, and boom, it brings you here. When you get here, after your name, that is your full name, you have paid dues, we have purchases, we have edit membership details, and we have book trip and travel. So this is what we are looking out for: book trips and travel. So you click on it, it loads and brings you here. This is the most important aspect of today's video. So here you see the trips. You have trip 1, trip 2, trip 3, trip 4. So each year comes with 8 trips. This year we have the following trips for nurses and midwives who are members of GRNMA. So we have trip 1, trip 2, trip 3, and trip 4. So trip 1 is Kigali and Dubai tour vibes. You want to go to Kigali, you want to go to Dubai, you want to go and have fun, have experience of that place. And trust me, when you're going to these places with your passport, it's going to be stamped, okay? You kind of get the experience of traveling abroad. And so if you want to travel abroad to go and practice somewhere, you want to go for visa, especially in the state, it becomes easy for you, because the embassy knows that this person have been to Kigali before, this person has been to Dubai before, this person have been to Qatar, this person have the traveling experience, and so it makes your interview somewhat easier for you than someone who is new and is here to travel. So here you look at the packages. Here are the packages. We have adult package, which is $1,590. Let me bring up my calculator. So $1,590 if you bring it into cities. So let's multiply it by 13 approximately. We are approximating 13 cities. That will give us 20,670 Ghana cedis. Now let's go to Google and see the Google conversion rate. So Google, when you type in 1,000, let's see, so $1 on Google today is 11 cedis, 29 pesos. So when you type $1,590, that will give you 17,952.31 Ghana cedis. Okay, if you're a couple, when you type in the $3,150 on Google conversion, you'll get 35,565.89 Ghana cedis. So the reason why I use the approximated figure as 13 is because the bank have charges when you're doing the transaction. I don't know the mode of payment that will be used. There are several transactions, and then the banking rate sometimes differs a bit. So you just have to approximate to be a bit higher than what we see on Google, so that in case it's higher than that, you will still have done the right calculation. If it is lower, then you have nothing to worry about, because you have excess amount of money there for you. So you have additional offers if you want to add a child with a bed. That will cost you $1,490. A child without a bed will cost you $1,250. If it's an infant, $300, and single supplement will be $15. So when is the booking period? The booking period when you're supposed to start booking is from 12th of June 2023 up until 20th of August 2023. So after booking, when are we going? When are we moving to Kigali or Dubai? We are moving there from the 27th of August 2023 to the 3rd of September 2023. So the next trip is Qatar Dubai, and Abu Dhabi tour. So it's like this is kind of together. You move from 1 to 3. You have experience of all these places. So the package is adult. For adult is $1,990. $1,990. So let's do the calculation using the approximated 13 Ghana cedis per each dollar. 1,099 by 13 cedis. This will give you 25,870 Ghana cedis. So this is worth it. Let me tell you, for me this is worth it. Okay, then let's go to Google too and see what the rate will be. $1,990, $1,099. That will give us 22,468.61 Ghana cedis. So with this amount of money, you have the chance to experience Qatar, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. So when is the booking period? The booking period is from 12th of June 2023 to 31st of July 2023. When are we going? When is the trip going? The trip is happening on from 11th August 2023 to 20th of August 2023. A couple is $3,950. This is how it costs in Ghana cedis. $3,950. If you are a couple, 3,950. That will cost you 44,598.50 Ghana cedis if you are a couple, 2 people. Okay, so that is it. Then let's move to the next trip. The next trip is Germany and Netherlands. If I want to be part this year, this is obviously this is where I would choose first. I want to have experience of Germany and the Netherlands. That is my choice. Maybe you might want to first of all go to Kigali and Dubai. Later on you want to go to Qatar and then Dubai and then Abu Dhabi, and you now want to kind of experience Germany and the Netherlands. But for me, I'll be going for this choice. So let's see the package. The package for singles and sharing. Okay, it means you're going to share the apartment. So that will be $2,990. $2,990. Let's do the approximate calculation. $2,990 by the approximated 13 cedis. That will be 38,870 Ghana cedis. Trust me, guys, this is worth it. I'm telling you. Okay, because people have been paying money to people and then they dupe them, they scam them. People pay up to $5,000 to just go and experience these places and come back, and it becomes some big story, big news. So if you are spending up to 40,000 Ghana cedis to go to Germany and then Netherlands, then it's really worth it. Trust me. Let's see Google rate. 2,990. 2,990. That would be 33,759 Ghana cedis, 37 pesos. 33,759 Ghana cedis, 37 pesos. And I repeat that I'm using the approximated 13 Ghana cedis to do my conversion because there are charges when it comes to bank transactions. Okay, and then we have single occupants. So here there is no couple for Germany and Netherlands. So if you are 2 people, I'm sorry, you still have to pay $2,990. So with the package, so single sharing, so single but you are sharing with someone, that will cost you $2,990. So if you are 2 people, you are all going to pay that same amount of money to experience Germany and Netherlands. So you and your friend can just move together and then you can go in and have that vibe. Sometimes it's very interesting if you are together with your friends in the room. That experience, you're on a trip, you go out, you have that experience, you come back, you try to discuss and then share the kind of memories that you are making so far. So it's a good something you might want to try. And if you want to occupy the room singly, okay, that will cost you $3,690. So $3,690 by 13, our approximated figure. Okay, that will be 47,970 Ghana cedis. So if you want to occupy your room alone on this trip, that will cost you 47,970 Ghana cedis. I'm telling you, this is worth it. That is my opinion, by the way. The booking period is from 12th of June 2023 up until 5th of November 2023. So it means from 12th of June up to 5th of November you can book, so you can start gathering money and then try to be part of this. We have more time for us to become part of this. And then we have the trip period. So after booking, when are we going? We are going on from 12th of November 2023 up to 19th of November 2023. Okay, then we have the last one, which is our Western Escape Masquerade Carnival. So this is in Ghana. The package price is for each person sharing. If you want to share with someone, that is 3,750 Ghana cedis, and if it's couple, that is 7,400 Ghana cedis. What is the booking period? The booking period is from 12th of June 2023 up until 16th of December 2023. When is the period? The trip period is from 23rd December 2023 up to 26th December 2023. So this is the amazing packages. If you want to book, if I'm going to book, of course I want to book here, so I'll just book on book trip. You tap on it, it comes here. So here you come here, then you select your package. Okay, are you single or couple? You want to share? So here I'm going to share, single sharing. I don't have that money. I'm hoping that very soon I'll make a lot of money, so that anytime I want to go and experience another part of the country, I'll just go to single. But I'll go to single sharing. Number of travelers is 1. Then you put in the emergency contact name. You type your emergency contact. I think I don't need to talk much about emergency contact details because we all know. So let's say my emergency contact, let's say is Simon. Then I'll come in and I'll type the contact phone number. Okay, I'll write the phone number here. And I'll hit on submit booking. If you click on submit booking, your details will be sent to the system at the database, and they'll pick your details, and then you'll be consulted, and then you move on to the next step. So this is a very nice package for all members of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association. And note, if you are not a member, you can become a member. So you just need to go to your payslip and switch from your association and become a member of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association. So thank you so much for your time. If this video brought you some value, consider subscribing to my channel and share this with other people as well.